What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen, and we are starting a skincare series where we talk all about skincare and we break it down and make it simple for you. So today's video, I am talking all about serums. Serums have such a special place in my heart. I really like serums. I think they are amazing. And maybe you're like, okay Brianna, what exactly is a serum? Facial serums are basically a product with a high concentration of active ingredients that basically penetrates your skin deeper and allows you to see results a little faster. Additionally, serums provide a targeted treatment for specific skin concerns and issues that you have. So like a lotion may have like vitamin E and it's going to be a very low concentration of it, whereas something like a serum is going to have a really high concentration of it to really target certain skin issues or concerns. So should you use a serum? Here are some reasons why I think you should use a serum. Intense hydration. So most serums are lightweight, which allows it to absorb into the skin and hydrate your skin faster, easier, and quicker. Most serums can be anti-aging. I'm still young, but I still want to use things that are going to allow me to look youthful, so serums can do that. Serums can provide antioxidant, vitamins, peptides that help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of aging. My personal favorite, and that is serums can be brightening. A lot of serums can provide brightening agents like vitamin C, which allows you to fade dark marks, which allows you to make your skin brighter and improve overall skin tone and appearance. Acne prevention. So I actually still get acne, usually hormonal acne, but it can actually help to combat acne. Serums that provide ingredients like salicylic acid as well as benzoyl peroxide, those are two acne fighting ingredients that your serums may contain, which will help to combat pimples and all that stuff that we don't really want on your skin. Another reason why serums are bomb.com, serums do have a fast absorption rate. Due to the lightweight texture, serums are usually able to penetrate the skin pretty quickly and pretty easily, which allows you to see faster and more effective results. And then another reason why I think serums are amazing, you may benefit from a serum, is that you can actually customize the serums that you want based on your skin needs and concerns. So if you have very dull skin and you also want to combat anti-aging, you can definitely use serums that will brighten the skin as well as combat, fine lines. If you have acne scars, you want to fade those, and you also have, really oily skin, you can customize the actual serums that you use to combat oiliness to help fade dark marks. So another benefit of serums is there are so many serums on the market right now that you can actually customize it based on your skin needs, your skin type, and your skin concerns. So here are some benefits of serum. Let's talk about how to apply serum. So the first step when it comes to applying serum is you want to make sure you are working with freshly cleansed skin. Your skin needs to be clean. So go ahead and wash your face before you apply any serum. Once you've washed your face, go ahead and pat dry with a towel. You do not want to have soaking wet skin and then you apply your serum because it's not going to be able to penetrate. From there, you apply a toner. Toner will help to allow the serums to penetrate faster into your skin as well as remove any residue from your face wash. So once you've applied your face wash and your toner, then it's time to apply your serums. Take a few drops of serum. I recommend about a dime size amount. Place it onto your fingertips and then apply the serum to your face. You want to gently massage the serum into your skin with your fingertips. They also have different tools that you can use, like a rose quartz roller, which will allow the serum to penetrate even deeper and quicker and faster into your skin. They also have massagers that will allow the serum to penetrate into your skin as well. Or you can just use your good old fingertips. These are some ways that you can apply the serum for a deeper penetration. And then when you apply the serum, you want to allow your serum to actually soak in. Give your serum, I like to say, at least 30 seconds to penetrate into your skin before you apply any other serums or moisturizers. Once you've applied your serum, then you go in with your moisturizer. Your moisturizer should be after your serum. If you apply your moisturizer before applying your serum, then one, your serum's not going to be able to work as quickly. It's not going to be able to penetrate your skin because it's going to have that moisturizer barrier, which is really going to compact the effectiveness of your serum. So you want to make sure that you apply your moisturizer after you apply your serum. And then after that, you may apply a sunscreen, especially during the day, because serums can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. And yes, Black people can burn, so you still want to use a sunscreen. So serums are absolutely amazing. I love serums. They are definitely a part of my morning and night routine. I just think they're amazing. So in my next video, I'm going to be sharing how to actually layer serums so that you get the most benefits and you see results quickly. So go ahead and watch that video next.